Okay, so I saw this picture on my LinkedIn the other day of what looks like a bunch of trees growing on top of one giant tree. And so I read up on it and tried to figure out what it was. And so apparently this is a forestry technique in Japan called daisugi. So how daisugi works is you basically have your base tree and you just chop it in half, and then by pruning all these branches off, you allow them to just grow straight into the air. And so these super straight branches that are basically growing out of this tree are incredibly useful structurally because they contain a low number of knots in the wood. And knots in a piece of wood is where you get your main structural weakness. So because of using daisugi, the wood that's harvested from the top is about 140% as flexible as the base tree wood and 200% as dense and strong, which is incredible. And this technique has been around in Japan for a long time. I think I read 600 years. And it's also similar to the European methods of pollarding like this, or copicing a tree, where you basically prune it right at the bottom so all the shoots just come straight out of the ground, which can be used in a similar sense of either controlling where the branches are growing, or basically making these super fine branches to be used for wood harvesting. But yeah, this is just an incredible method of forestry, and it looks completely stunning, and the wood you get from it is incredible also. So I kind of want to see more of it. I don't know what that would entail. I don't know if you can do it in the US at all, but